Hello. How are you? Beau, you leave her alone. Hey, look at me. You're okay. Ooh. Okay, we're out of here. We're out of here. What do you think, Beau? He keeps them out of the neighborhood. He chases them back in the forest. Beau, that bear could rip you apart, so you be good. Be nice to this beautiful bear. Hello. Oh, look at you. Beautiful. Okay, I'm out of here. Say goodbye, Beau. Say goodbye to the bear. What do you see, Beau? This dog cracks me up. Okay, Beau, let's go. Come on. Come on, Beau. Let's go. We're going home. One more. Hey, Beau, come here. Lake Tahoe.